Can you borrow me your pen? Or can I borrow your pen? Which one is correct? Oops, she don't have a pen. Or she doesn't have a pen. Which one is correct? Find out the answers in this video and many more mistakes. Hey guys, welcome to Real Life English with Chris and Coco. Today is gonna be episode 2 on the 100 most common mistakes in English. If you did not watch episode 1, maybe you can go back and watch it. There is no order, so you can still start here with episode 2. So are you ready for episode 2? Let's do it. Number 11. Sorry, I did a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. We make mistakes. We don't do mistakes. I have a lesson on how to use do and make, so maybe you can check it out.
For example,
what is this?
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Number 12. I like very much this car. I like this car very much. Or, I like this car a lot. Do not separate a transitive verb from its object. Okay, so if you have something to add to the sentence, you can add it at the end after the direct object. So, I like this car very much.
For example,
what do you think about the new TV show?
I like it very much.
Number 13. He said me, don't do it. He told me not to do it. Or he said, don't do it. Or he asked me not to do it. So this is how we use say and tell. And the good news is I have a lesson on how to use say, tell, speak, and talk. Make sure you check it out.
For example,
what did your manager tell you?
She told me not to work overtime.
Number 14. I don't have no money. I don't have any money. Or I have no money. So don't use double negatives.
For example,
hey honey, can you buy me a new car?
Sorry, I don't have any money.
Number 15. She don't like it. She doesn't like it. He, she, it, always singular verbs. She doesn't like it.
For example,
does your mom like sushi?
No, she doesn't.
Number 16. Can you borrow me your pen? Can you lend me your pen? Or can I borrow your pen? This is how we use it. Can you lend me your pen? Or can I borrow your pen?
For example,
excuse me, can I borrow your pen for a second?
Here you go.
Thank you. Number 17. People is happy in this community. People are happy in this community. People is always plural. So people are happy in this community.
For example,
what do you think of people living in this community?
I think they are happy.
Number 18. It's on the page 20. It's on page 20. When you talk about pages, we don't use the, just page 20. I have a lesson on articles, how to use a and the. So make sure you check it out.
For example,
I can't remember where I saw that picture in this book.
It's on page 45.
Oh, thank you. Number 19, this is mine book. This is my book, or this book is mine. If you use mine, then you put the noun kind of before. So this book is mine.
For example,
Whose book is this?
It's mine.
Number 20, I'm going to home. I'm going home. When we use home, we don't use to. We can use to for school. I'm going to school. I'm going to the hospital, but I'm going home. No to.
for example,
Where are you going now?
I'm going home now.
All right, so this is the end of episode 2. We covered 10 more mistakes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to watch the other episodes.